Here we are on Spurling Road, up at the top, right near the dead end. You can see how the fire's burned up about this high on the tree. I'm sure this tree is not going to die. It should be all right. The bark is still in place. And as you can see here, the ash is very, very shallow. Very shallow. So this fire did a good job of clearing out the area, clearing out the brush so things can really grow. But it's not out. Now the dead trees burned a lot higher. But like this one here, it didn't burn at all. It's probably like a wet sapling or something. It just didn't get that hot here. Now other places it got really hot, but not here. It just basically did as a good ground fire, if there is such a thing as a good fire.
The firemen say that fire clears the area and makes it new growth come.